everyone. So I recently posted a video about Kerala story and it got a lot of love, like genuinely a lot of likes, a lot of views and a lot of comments, and it was so overwhelming. Like, I have been doing YouTube since last 3 years and this was the first time something worked out so much, and it was really genuine from my side. Like, I really want to tell people that if you are going to be real, things are going to work out. I got a lot of nice comments from a lot of people, and for every person I tried to reply, and thank you so much, and I'm really thankful to you all. But with all the nice comments, बहुत सारे मतलब ऐसे comments आए थे related to Northeast and demeaning North. तो I thought कि when I spoke about something which I didn't like, why not this? क्योंकि genuinely मेरे को बुरा लग रहा था कि people are trying to demean North, क्योंकि मैं वहाँ से हूँ, and if I can, like, it's all India, right? मतलब इंडिया है तो कहीं को भी कुछ भी बुरा बोला जाता है, and I know that place is nice और हम वहाँ रहे हैं and I have experienced, then I have to speak about that. When I came to NITC, I had some opinions about Kerala, Malayalis people. I came here, I lived here, and because I was open, I could change it. And then I realized that you cannot judge a place based on your opinions or others' opinion till the time you actually come there and live an experience. मतलब आप जब तक आके वो चीज़ नहीं देख सकते, जब तक मैं यहाँ नहीं आई and I saw, मैं कितनी भी वीडियोस देख लूँ, कितनी भी यूट्यूब वीडियोस देख लूँ, I won't realize कि एक्चुअली वहाँ क्या होता है. मेरा ओपिनियंस चेंज होते रहेगा with the opinions of people. But since I came here and lived, my opinions got changed completely. So the comments I got, it made me think very much कि जैसा लोग like जज कर रहे हैं केरला को, वैसे ही नॉर्थ इंडियन स्टेट्स भी जज होते हैं. बीट बिहार, आई एम फ्रॉम बिहार and I cannot tell you the amount of judgment we hear and the things we hear. Like genuinely ऐसा होता है कि आते जाते लोग, मेरे फ्रेंड्स मेरे को ऐसे बोल देते हैं कि भाई ब्रिज, रोड, क्या क्या चोरी कर रहे हो तुम लोग, भाई रुक जाओ. जो चीज़ें रील्स पे वायरल हो रही है, मीम्स बन रही है, उनका मैं क्या एक्सप्लेनेशन दूँ? आई डोंट थिंक इट्स वर्थ इट टू एक्सप्लेन टू दोज पीपल. It's genuinely, honestly, it's crazy the amount of judgment we get, like on the basis of accent, on the basis of education, on the basis of living, on the basis of poverty, which we cannot even control. And people don't know that it's not because of the people living there, it's because of the histories and opportunities that had been given to us, and we cannot change about that. And to be very honest, people are trying their best to get over it. People, and I truly believe that a place is not just its problems, क्योंकि actually होता क्या है ना कि सब best नहीं होते हैं. Every place is not best. कुछ ना कुछ problems होती हैं and people just focus on that. People don't see कि भाई उसके अलावा भी कुछ है. And trust me, people are trying every possible way कि कैसे change किया जा सकता है perspective को. But the thing is that you have to stop judging people and giving them time. The place I am from, I used to be the same. I used to judge. I used to hate that why I am from this place. But I owned it. I owned it in a way that, yeah, I saw people changing. I saw change. Like, I saw their mindset changing, the way of their living. Everything is changing. And I'm just giving them time. I'm just giving them time to, you know, this, like, इतने सालों से जो उनके साथ हुआ है and things have been done, और जो भी लोग हैं उनको टाइम चाहिए चेंज होने का, and they deserve that. Every place. And also with Northeast, it's insane. मतलब I cannot tell you the amount of, like, not judgment, they are being bullied because of this. They have been called names, things, and in like public transport, you might have seen some videos. In public transport, they are being like bashed by people because the place they are from and the way they look. It's insane. It's like people should be ashamed of themselves because they are just discriminating. And it's so common in college. Trust me. Like college में लोग ऐसे joke मारते हैं on your place, the way you look, the way you talk. People just make fun of these things. And at some point I do understand. Okay, fine, it's friends, दोस्त हैं, दोस्तों में मजाक चलता है. If someone is getting hurt, you cannot do that. You have to stop it. You have to keep it in a limit. Someone from Bihar gets labeled, someone from Northeast gets called some names, someone whose accent is very bad, they have been mocked. जो इंग्लिश अच्छा नहीं बोल पाते उनका बहुत मजाक उड़ता है. Bro, English is just a language, it's not a skill. So stop making fun of people and demeaning them on the basis of a language. And the only reason my perspective changed about Kerala is because I gave it a chance. I try to accept what people are here, because trust me, जो लोग यहाँ आ भी जाते हैं ना और उनके हेड में ये चीज़ फिक्स्ड है, दे हैव बीन फेड दिस एंड वो वहाँ पे स्टक हो गई है, तो उनका तभी भी नहीं चेंज होता. यू हैव टू हैव दैट पर्सपेक्टिव कि हाँ आप कहीं जा रहे हो, आप देख रहे हो, आप उसकी रियलिटी देख रहे हो, यू हैव टू एक्सेप्ट इट अगर वो आपके पर्सपेक्टिव से दूसरा है. सो इफ़ यू फील बैड दैट पीपल आर जजिंग योर स्टेट, योर लैंग्वेज, योर प्लेस, डू नॉट डू द सेम. Do not do the same, because you do not know their story, where they are coming from, these things are coming from. People are trying, people are growing, and trust me, places are way more than your assumption. So yeah, at last I just want to say that, you know, everyone is from somewhere, so just try to accept it, and above all, respect. Have respect for people, their place, their language, and the way they are. Thank you so much for watching.